Right. Let's be honest. Life moves fast, and it's easy to feel like you're always playing catch-up. You're not alone in this. Most of us are juggling a million things at once, and it can feel like there's never enough time in the day. Let's get one thing straight. You're busy. Your mornings are a blur of alarms, emails, and last-minute to-dos. You barely have time to breathe, let alone think about what you'll eat. Deadlines, meetings, commutes, maybe even kids. Life is chaos. Every minute's accounted for, and sometimes it feels like you're just surviving, not thriving. The pressure to keep up is real, and it's exhausting. And what's the first thing to go? Your lunch. It's always the easiest thing to skip when you're pressed for time. But skipping meals isn't a badge of honor, it's a recipe for burnout. Skipping meals doesn't save time or calories, it wrecks your energy and metabolism. You might think you're being productive, but your body and brain are paying the price. Fatigue sets in, and your focus slips away. By mid-afternoon, you're desperate for sugar, running on empty, and losing focus. This has to stop. You deserve better than a cycle of exhaustion and quick fixes that never last. You don't have time to eat well, or at least that's what you've been told. But what if I told you that nourishing your body doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming? Fueling your body is the most important meeting of your day. When you prioritize real food, you're investing in your energy, your mood, and your productivity. It's not just about eating, it's about thriving. Forget sad lunches and vending machine snacks. We're changing the game. No more settling for bland, boring, or unhealthy options that leave you feeling sluggish. Today, I'll show you 7 real meals you can make in 10 minutes or less. No excuses. These are meals designed for real life, packed with flavor, and guaranteed to keep you going strong. These are satisfying, energizing, and perfect for busy professionals. You'll feel fuller, more focused, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Ready to transform your day? Let's go. It's time to stop starving and start living, because you deserve to feel your best every single day. Meal 1. The Lemon Pepper Cottage Wrap. This is the ultimate breakfast or lunch hack for anyone who's always on the go, but still wants to eat something nourishing, delicious, and packed with protein. Whether you're rushing out the door for work, juggling a busy family morning, or just need a quick bite before your next meeting, this wrap is your new best friend. For when you have zero time, but still want to fuel your body with something that actually keeps you going. Forget skipping breakfast, or grabbing a sugary snack. This wrap is ready in minutes and will keep you satisfied for hours. Start by grabbing a whole wheat tortilla, soft, hearty, and full of fiber to keep your energy steady. Spread on a generous layer of full-fat cottage cheese. Not only does it add a creamy texture, but it's also loaded with slow-digesting protein, which means you'll stay fuller, longer. Cottage cheese is a powerhouse ingredient for anyone looking to build muscle or simply avoid that mid-morning crash. Next, add a burst of flavor with freshly cracked black pepper and a sprinkle of lemon zest. The pepper gives it a subtle heat, while the lemon zest brightens everything up, making each bite taste fresh and vibrant. These simple additions take the wrap from basic to gourmet in seconds, and you don't need any fancy equipment, just a grater and a pepper grinder. If you've got 30 seconds to spare, toss in a handful of fresh spinach or rocket. These leafy greens add crunch, color, and a boost of vitamins and minerals. They're optional, but they make the wrap even more satisfying and nutritious. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra veggies without even trying. Now fold the sides in and roll it up tight. The key is to keep everything snug so you don't end up with a mess. No fuss, no complicated steps, just a simple, satisfying wrap that holds together perfectly, even if you're eating it on the move. Wrap it in foil or parchment paper, and you're ready to head out the door. This step makes it portable and keeps everything fresh, so you can toss it in your bag or lunchbox without worrying about leaks or sogginess. This wrap travels perfectly, stays fresh for hours, and honestly, it beats any takeaway or vending machine snack. You know exactly what's in it, and you can feel good about every bite. It's real food, high in protein, and keeps you full all morning. The combination of whole grains, protein, and greens means you'll have steady energy and focus, whether you're at your desk, in a meeting, or running errands. 5 minutes massive flavor, 0 excuses. Start your day winning with a meal that's as quick as it is delicious. Meal 1, done. You've just set the tone for a productive, energized day. Now let's move to your next power meal. Don't fall behind, keep the momentum going and get it done. Your body and mind will thank you. Next up, the garlic yogurt chickpea bowl, your 3 p.m. slump buster. chickpeas and Greek yogurt, plant protein, fiber, and creamy satisfaction. Rinse chickpeas, add a dollop of full-fat Greek yogurt, grate in a clove of garlic, squeeze lemon, drizzle olive oil, season with salt, pepper, maybe smoked paprika, stir, mash some chickpeas for texture, top with fresh herbs, maybe chopped cucumber or tomato for crunch. In minutes, you've got a cafe-worthy bowl that keeps you full and focused. Make it at home or in the office, no cooking required. This is smart, satisfying fuel. Stop settling for boring lunches. Eat clever, feel better. This bowl will change your afternoons. Now, on to the next. Meet the Speedy Egg and Veg Mug Scramble, your answer to a hot, nourishing lunch in just minutes. And the best part, no pans, no piles of dishes, and no hassle. Whether you're at home or hustling at the office, this recipe is designed for anyone who wants a real meal, fast. Start by grabbing a large coffee mug, something sturdy and microwave safe. Crack in 2 fresh eggs, add a generous splash of milk, and season with a pinch of salt and a twist of black pepper. Whisk it all together with a fork until it's smooth and well combined. This is your protein-packed base, ready in seconds. Now, for the veggies. Toss in a handful of pre-chopped or frozen vegetables. Think spinach, bell peppers, mushrooms, or even a few cherry tomatoes. Use whatever you have on hand or whatever's about to go off in the fridge. This is a great way to sneak in extra nutrients and color, making your lunch both healthy and satisfying. If you're a cheese lover, sprinkle in a little shredded cheddar, mozzarella, or feta. The cheese melts into the eggs, adding creaminess and a boost of flavor. You can skip it if you prefer, but it's a simple way to make your scramble feel extra special. Pop your mug into the microwave. Cook on high for about 45 seconds, then give it a good stir to make sure everything cooks evenly. Microwave for another 30 to 45 seconds, watching closely so it doesn't overcook. The eggs should be just set, fluffy, and steaming hot. In under 3 minutes, you've got a fluffy, protein-packed scramble that's bursting with veggies and flavor. It's hot, hearty, and ready to eat. No waiting, no mess, and no greasy pans to scrub. The best part? You eat it straight from the mug, no extra plates, no extra cleanup. Just grab a fork and dig in, whether you're at your desk, in the break room, or sitting at your kitchen counter. This mug scramble is warm, filling, and keeps you away from the biscuit tin or vending machine snacks. It's a real meal that powers you through the afternoon, so you can stay focused and energized. It's perfect for the office or home, anywhere you have a microwave, and a few simple ingredients. No more excuses for skipping lunch or settling for something cold and uninspiring. Stock your fridge at work with a carton of eggs and a bag of mixed veggies, and you'll always be ready for a quick, healthy meal. It's meal prep without the prep. Just grab, mix, and microwave. Say goodbye to cold, sad sandwiches and hello to a hot, satisfying lunch that takes less time than waiting in line at the cafe. This is efficiency at its tastiest. You really do have time for this. In just a few minutes, you can enjoy a hot, healthy meal that fuels your day. Let's keep going and make every lunch count. Craving something creamy? Try the tuna-free protein avocado smash. Mash a ripe avocado with half a can of chickpeas, chunky, not pureed. Add Dijon mustard, lemon juice, chopped onion, salt, and pepper. Taste and adjust, make it delicious. Healthy fats and plant protein keep you full and crush cravings. Scoop onto rye crackers, stuff in a wrap, or eat straight from the bowl. It's fast, versatile, and feels indulgent. No more boring salads. This is smart eating, satisfying, filling, and ready in minutes. Control hunger. Don't starve it. Focus on what you eat. Smash your cravings. Smash your goals. Next meal coming up. Late night starving? Skip the instant noodles. Make a hot soy ginger noodle cup. In a jar, add soy sauce, sesame oil, grated ginger, garlic, and chili flakes. Layer in thinly sliced veg, carrots, mushrooms, spinach, and protein, tofu, chicken, prawns. Top with rice vermicelli or soba noodles. Prep a few in advance, keep in the fridge. When hungry, pour in boiling water, cover, wait 5 minutes. Stir, instant, nourishing noodle soup. Comforting, balanced, and way healthier than takeout. Protein, veggies, complex carbs, all in one cup. Perfect for late work days. Plan ahead, eat better. Warm, fresh, and satisfying. Beautiful. Breakfast matters. Don't skip it. This 10-minute protein oat bowl keeps you full and focused. Cook half a cup of rolled oats with water or milk and a pinch of salt. When thick, stir in a scoop of protein powder, vanilla or unflavored. Top with berries, seeds, nuts, and a drizzle of honey if you like. Complex carbs, protein, healthy fats, and fiber, all in one bowl. No more sugar crashes or mid-morning hunger. Sets the tone for your day, fuel for your brain and body. 10 minutes, huge impact. Make it a habit, see the results. Start strong, stay strong. Breakfast, done right. Let's finish strong. Last meal, fast savory lentil toast. Use canned lentils, no soaking, no fuss. Sauté onion and garlic in olive oil. Add lentils, tomato puree, smoked paprika, Worcestershire sauce. Simmer 5 minutes until thick. Toast hearty bread, sourdough or whole grain. Spoon lentils over toast. Top with black pepper and parsley. Cheap, filling, and packed with protein and fiber. Comfort food that's actually good for you. Perfect for lunch or a quick dinner. Feeds the whole family fast. Simple, nutritious, delicious. Lentils. Your secret weapon. Beautiful. 7 fast, powerful meals, 10 minutes or less. No more too busy excuses. You have the tools, recipes, and knowledge. This isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Eat well, feel better, and tackle your day with energy. Food is your ally. Use it. Pick one meal, make it this week, and feel the difference. Start your journey now, one 10-minute meal at a time. Like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to eat smarter.